Top 5 animals with no blood, these are nature's strangest survivors. Number 5, jellyfish. No blood or heart, moves nutrients with water flow. Number 4, coral. Forms colonies of tiny animals, no blood or organs. Number 3, sea sponge. Filters water for nutrients, no blood or organs. Number 2, flatworm. No circulatory system, absorbs through skin. Number 1, icefish. Has clear blood with no red blood cells. Which one shocked you most? Like, comment, and subscribe for more wild facts.